Life is full of choices, some so profound they shape you forever. At 15, I had a pregnancy termination. 2 years later, I discovered that my own life had once been spared through adoption, a truth I never knew. In this episode of Let's Talk Local, I sit down with Roland Warren, President and CEO of CareNet, to discuss one of the most challenging and often divisive issues in our society.
Complex problems are best solved in relationships. Relationships solve complex problems. That's why Jesus came in person, Emmanuel, God with us, to solve the complex problem of sin. So when you think about abortion and the solution to abortion, it's not a pill and it's not legislation. It's relationships. The circumstances of this child's conception and birth should not determine its humanity and worth.
This is not a debate. It's a non-judgmental, faith-filled conversation rooted in lived experience, honesty, and compassion.